You've seen it everywhere. A jacket is 30% off, your meal needs an 18% tip, or your savings grew by 3.5%. Calculating these can feel tricky, especially when it's not a simple number like 50%. But what if one single method could solve all of them? The secret isn't complicated. It's about the connection between percentages and decimals. Remember, percent just means out of 100. So to turn any percentage into a number you can actually use, you just divide it by 100. The fastest way? Just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So 30% becomes 0.30. A trickier 8% becomes 0.08. Even a tiny 3.5% becomes 0.035. Once you have that decimal, the hard part is over. You just multiply. To find 30% of an $80 jacket, you calculate 0.30 times 80, which is $24. That's your discount. This method works for everything, even percentages over 100. If a plant that was 60 centimeters tall grew by 125%, you just convert 125% to 1.25 and multiply. The plant grew by 75 centimeters. Your answer will be larger than what you started with, which makes perfect sense. But here's a crucial real-world trap. A bike is on sale for 20% off, with an extra 10% off at checkout. That is not a 30% discount. The first 20% discount is applied to the original price. The second 10% is applied to the new, already lower sale price. Always calculate discounts one step at a time. So, next time you see a percentage, don't guess. Just remember the process. Move the decimal 2 spots to the left and multiply. It's one of the most practical math skills you'll ever learn, turning confusing numbers into real-world sense.